Hi, my name is Brad Loisel, and I'd like to welcome you to Doodle Talk. Today we're going to be talking about why an LMS can fail your company. We first must understand what a learning management system is. An LMS is simply a tool, nothing more than that. It is a tool that helps us with administration, documentation, tracking and reporting of content that we build. It provides automation, notification, and delivery. It's for content that we want to develop and training materials or programs that we want to build out. It's really a system that was built for online learning. And it's a system to support online learning as a tool and only a tool. We are told this all the time, an LMS is all that you need. This is completely wrong. People are told it includes everything. It's so easy to use, you won't need anything else. But let me put it in perspective. If you were a writer and you were given a pencil and a stack of paper with nothing on it, is that the tool or the solution? Your creativity, everything that you want to build comes from you. You have to write it. You have to have that experience. Start off with an empty basket, but if you don't know what you're doing and you're building stuff, there's a saying, garbage in, garbage out. This is what companies are facing today. So if you want to develop an effective online learning program, let's take a look at our methodology that we developed. We have multiple layers in this methodology. The first layer is project management. This is a discipline that has to be carried through your entire development cycle. It includes initiate, plan, instructional design, create, launch, sustain, and evaluate. As part of this process, there is the business understanding, business process that needs to determine whether this is right for you. And it's an ongoing process. You have to look at the return on investment, your audit of content, review of your instructional design process, common look and feel of what you want to develop for yourself or partners, your process for implementation, how you're going to maintain it, and then an overall review that you continually do. Then once you look at this, then you need to determine, do we have the capabilities within our organization to do it? And when we talk about capabilities, it's how to develop the programs you want to develop. And there's lots of different softwares that are required. So if you're giving it to an individual, one or two people that are going to do this, do they have these capabilities? Can they develop interactive, engaging content? Do they know how to use authoring tools and video software and animation software? All these different things. Do they know how to manage a learning management system and integrate properly? And then the last one is the capacity. Does your organization have the capacity to do all this stuff? And the best way to look at it is look at all the departments you have, all the content that's required. If you have to develop 50 courses and you have one person, it's very difficult. So most likely you'll have to have a lot more people, which might be internal, might be external outsourcing. If it's external outsourcing, there's costs associated with that for sure. These are the things you need to consider. And this is how most LMSs fail companies, is they don't realize the input that's required to use the LMS effectively. So we decided to solve these complexities for you. We created an online skill development ecosystem with the tools and resources for everything you need to be successful. It includes a robust learning management system that has gamification, certification, communication tools, scheduling tools, reporting tools, so much more. We also include a library of over 3,700 programs across 200 categories, 800 plus job role assessments, 1,000 skill assessments. It can be white labeled, mobile accessible, multilingual. And the best part, which we really like, and our clients like, is you only pay for active users. Don't be held hostage by your LMS. Book a demo today so you can focus on your people and not the complexities of an LMS.